Good morning, folks. Or whatever day of the time is. It's a wonderful holiday season. Magic polar bear take us back to the future. So far, folks, time machine does not invented yet. But using my video, I could take you straight back to Nevada. Today is December 11th. I will show you my buddies who beat the time. Folks, it is Sunday, September 11th, in spectators area, waiting for a bicycle race. I got aluminum welding job over here. Let me show you the whole job what I have to do. Okay, this is one weld. Has to be done near hitch of a towing trailer. Another weld is here, and I'm going to another side. If you need pee or poo-poo, you are very welcome to do it here. Sun rays supposed to happen above that mountain, and moonset supposed to happen in behind west. This is boat number 3, what has to be done somewhere here. I have to unwrap this. What else I want to tell you? Race start today. It is very cold in the desert of Nevada, so this is my dress code. Sure, folks, for very first, before I do welding with aluminum, it's very important to do cleaning with a metal stainless brush. Okay, cleaning is done. Now I have to wear mask. Welding mask. First time welding in an altitude 1,400 in the desert of Nevada near Battle Mountain. Okay, first weld is done. Cleaning. Welding now from the bottom up. Okay, decrease wire speed from 5 to 4. Cleaning. Alright, I think we are done. Cleaning, checking. Now I have a problem. I cannot access with my gun from here. I have to put my gun on other side. Yes, I do have enough pipe for other side. Welding from other side. Yes, folks, we are done. Now a little bit cleaning of my welds. Oh, too cold, I have snoopies. No, folks, we are not done. Welding has to be done under 2. Well, it's called welding in a ceiling position. So what I want to say, that welder who welded before me this, he or she forgot to do here. Let me show for verification. What I have to say here was not welded. You see it probably right now from your camera. I replace my camera to another position. Sun is coming. Hallelujah to Jesus Lord Almighty. Run for your life, bicycles racers is coming. Okay, my fingers getting cold. Okay, my gun is on other side. Welding in a ceiling position, folks. Give me a special credit. It's really difficult. Faster, 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 faster. Bistro, bistro, bistro. Snelly up, snelly up. I think we're done for right now. I think we're done. And I'm wearing today, in a distance course, welding mask. Now, Okay, folks, now it's done. Let me grab camera. Oh, camera is falling down. Camera is falling down. It looks like I'm in prison here in the Battle Mountain, Nevada. Be quiet, Papa. Get your camera. Get your camera. Bicycle riders are coming and spectators have to watch them. Boat inspection. Boat inspection. Okay, everything now clean. Ah! Hot idiot. Okay. Boat is done. And it's done exactly before sunrise. On 200 meters course in the Battle Mountain, Nevada. All right, folks, I'm at the starting area of the building. First spectators coming, and surely a very first, a tandem from Toronto. And Mr. Kevin, he drives this van, and also he drives a tandem. Folks, after Mr. Kevin, all other spectators came by, and participants too, and this is our course.
I brought a radio for you.
Oh, radio for me, great. I'm going down. Folks, I will be giving you direct broadcast from the top of my roof. How to get it on, sir?
It was on. That's off. Push to talk.
Folks, I test my drone already. Bikes on the road, everybody gathering. I'm shutting down observation camera. I'm a little bit nervous. Next rider, Blue Streamliner, Russell Bridge from UK. And surely, folks, to save your time, I'm increasing video speed to a maximum viewable. I have to return as soon as possible to catch with another streamliner. Well, it's not streamliner, it's tricycle. In the bottom right corner, I put blue timer. So you could watch speed, how it goes in reality. What I am using Mavic 3 drone, what's technically available to fly one way 7 kilometers. Well, folks, I say I could easily fly 5 kilometers. So a very last rider on a run gets his or her bonus. I could follow in that position all the way to a trap gate. Right now I'm bypassing Ranch Road, what is 600 meters before trap gate. You see flags of a trap gate and Velomobile approaching timing sensors. Okay, 200 meters, finish 200 meters. I could follow even far, but I do have my concern. Chase car, white color, passing by. And now I'm returning back. I fly over ground level 20 to 40 meters altitude, and now I'm stopping to watch Alisa Velomobile. She is 11 years old, and this is her first time for Battle Mountain, Nevada. Great. Looks like they packing her up, but I have to return to my position and catch with the drone. Folks, my total flight happened in about, let's see, by timer. Okay, over 7 minutes right now, 8 minutes. I'm coming closer. I see that road is closed and I'm catching with my drone successfully. Thank you, baby. After sun raised, everything getting hot here, so I'm dropping my jacket right now. Folks, would you answer me a question? what you are drinking this night or in the morning time. I drink coffee.